Freep video tutorials. I'll be selecting nature videos from Freep, and especially water scenes, which I love looking at water. I'll be editing these videos that I download onto my computer, and then I will edit them over in Capcut. I will go through transitions as well as effects and sound. Enjoy! Well, we gotta do timeline. It's 35 seconds. Add this one to the timeline. It's looking pretty good. Got a default text. Bring it down. Got different effects. You can also use the bubbles. Never use them. But we can always do whatever we prefer. Want to change the level of water. Different effects on here. Always expand this. Center it out. You see the green lines. Let's hold there. Make it the size you want. What you want it to run for. Try something else. Explosions. We're not going to have no explosions on the water. A slight side blur. Got some butterflies if you prefer. Capcut has a lot to offer. You can always add transitions in between these two. Just to give you an example. If you wanted that one, make the duration a little bit less. Get down to 1. Let's see what this does, the rainbow. It's awesome, huh? That's pretty cool. I'll download it there. Now you can drag these down onto the timeline, but I like using the plus sign. On a section of this. See what that is. That's going to do. Let's see. You can get your audio from here, but I like to import it for something later on. So let's see what we come up with here. Fade out. Okay, got a little fade in. Let's give it a little bit more. About 4.